What's happening, YouTube? We are in the beginning of February 2025, and me and Gina Boy, we are on the way to go work on the vert. We need to prep it up. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the frame for the top. What is it? I think it's called the rack. So we're gonna scuff it down, trying to figure out what color we're gonna paint it, what we're gonna do. We already got the material picked out, went to go pay on that, just waiting on the call whenever it'll be done so that we can take it in. I don't know if they order it, I don't know how that works, I didn't even ask, but he said he was gonna order the top, so I'm guessing he orders it already and then call us when it's time to install it, I guess. I don't know, I just paid it, let's go, we need to get it done. So we're gonna go prep the frame for it, and then what else do we got to do? Come up with a game plan. Been writing down a whole bunch of ideas. We're gonna need some motor work done. You already know when it's time for the swap, we're gonna swap it for sure. Lino, you want to say anything? Chilling? Ready to work? You're gonna sand? Yeah, we're gonna sand today. So yeah, we'll be back. I'll show y'all what we're working with.